When installing your Customcraft laminate countertop, it's important to give your top the support it needs so it continues to look as beautiful as the day it was installed. Items needed to install build-up strips include measuring tape, marking utensil, screw gun, square drive bits, build-up strips, 1 1/4 inch screws, 48-inch level. Verify that the cabinets are level. Measure the width of the build-down strip. Measure in the width of the build-down stick plus 1/4 inch and mark the locations. Place the first build-up strip at the mark. Place build-up strips on either side of the joint where two cabinets meet up, making sure to leave room for countertop installation from the bottom into the countertop. Pre-drill holes in the front and back of the build-up strip where it will attach to the cabinet. Screw each strip into place. Pre-drill an additional 3 holes for installation of the countertop. When installing build-up strips on a sink base, measure the opening for the sink to verify that the build-up strip is installed far enough away not to impede the installation of the sink.